spoke about the different types of hardware, but hardware have components. Let's take a better look inside a laptop. The major components you will find are CPU, the central processing unit, RAM memory or the random access memory, hard drive, GPU, the graphic processing unit, and motherboard. The comparison with the human brain is not entirely perfect, but it's good enough. So let's say the brain has 4 functions: to think, store information short-term, store information long-term, and to translate signals from the eyes into images. The CPU is the component which processes signals to execute instructions, such as calculations or processing information. This is comparable with the thinking function of the brain. RAM memory is where temporary information is stored. When you start applications, such as Word, you see a blank page. But a lot of processes are happening on the background to run this application. All these processes run into the RAM memory. RAM memory can't store information permanently. As soon as the application is closed, the information stored temporarily in the RAM memory is gone. Compare this with the short-term memory of the brain. The hard drive is where you can store information permanently, and this can obviously be compared to with the long-term memory of the brain. The GPU translates signals into images and shows them on your display. The reverse actually happens in your body, where your eyes pick up light signals and your brain translates them into images. The motherboard is usually a rectangular piece of board, where all these components are plugged into and are connected to each other. A motherboard also has sockets to connect external devices such as monitors, keyboards, and trackpads. These devices allow you to operate and interact with the computer. In a laptop, it's all pretty much the same, but integrated neatly in a compact form. There are more types of hardware, and there is a lot more to tell when it comes to hardware. As we progress, we will dive into this.